guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing for you all this Kitchen Academy slow juicer. Now it's a masticating juicer, meaning that it's going to take its time and juice your fruits or vegetables slowly so you get more juice out of it. So without further ado, let's unbox this so we can see what it looks like. Here is the user manual. Okay, so now let me just take all of the parts out of this. So that's our temper. This is the chute. I'll go through the parts in a little bit with you guys. These are the cups. So now let's go over the different parts of the machine. One, we have the hopper, where the actual pieces of fruit or vegetables will go in. 2, we have the auger head. 3, we have a filter. 4, we have the chamber, which is this one. 5, we have the pusher. 6, we have the filter brush. 7 is the pulp cup, which is this opaque looking one. 8 is the juice cup, which is this clear one. And 9 is the motor unit, which is this entire unit here. So now what I'm going to do is give everything a wash and let's get juicing. Okay guys, to assemble the machine, your filter goes in here and you will feel it lock into place, because if you didn't put it properly you would feel it wobbling in here. There is your juice cup. It comes through here where this suction is, so that you can stop the juice from flowing so it doesn't flow over the counter. And here is your pulp cup on this side. We're going to place the auger in. It goes right in here like this, and you want to just press down to hold that into place. Then we're going to go on with this top part, which is called the hopper, as I told you guys and I forgot. And that is just going to turn into place right there like so. So guys, I want to show you all something. When you're putting in the hopper, you see this part here? This needs to go in the groove so that the machine would work. If it's not in there, it's not going to work. So you have to align it. Now once it goes into there, this is going to be facing that. This is going to be facing to your right, the chute. Okay, so now all we have to do is go ahead and put in our fruits in here. And the way how it works is you just put it like this. It goes down. And then you start your machine. Make sure your pulp and your juice cups are in place. And you have this, your temper, to help you move it along if you wanted to. So I'm just going to put it on. And it's going to start processing the apple. You just need to help it if it's not going down by pressing on it. And of course, if you wanted to cut up your fruits smaller, you can. But this is made so that you can actually put whole pieces of fruit in there. So I went in with apples. And then we have carrots going in, and we're going to go in with some celery. So I'm using the smaller part in the back here. So I'm using the smaller part at the back here for these taller fruits. The round ones I'll put to the front of the chute. This machine is doing a really great job, guys. It's working really good, and I really like the job it's doing. You guys know if I don't like something, I'm not gonna tell you that I like it. But just look how the pulp is coming out, and all you're getting is that fresh juice, and you can juice anything you want with this. Okay, so that's the last of the vegetables and fruits. I'm gonna close this. That ensures that no liquid or no fruit juice is gonna leak onto your counter. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed this demo for this unboxing / review for this juicer. For those of you who are interested, and which I really highly recommend getting one of these. And it's not that big, guys. It's a pretty small machine, but it does a really great job. So remember, with the pulp that's left over, use it for manure or compost. It's going to feed your plants, especially if you have a kitchen garden. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's review / demo. The link to purchase this will be down in the description box. So click that little down arrow, the description box will open up for you. I'd like to say thank you very much to Kitchen Academy for sending me this machine. It's really lovely. And I hope you guys definitely purchase one. It's an amazing gift to give. So thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.